Hey there, welcome back to Modern Gadget Guy, where we break down the latest tech and car gadgets to help you buy smarter. If you're a rideshare driver, a commuter, or just someone who wants maximum visibility inside and outside your car, today's review is for you. We're diving into the Vantrue N2X 2.7K dash cam, a front and cabin camera combo built specifically for Uber, Lyft, and taxi drivers, or anyone who wants all-around coverage with pro-level recording. It promises 2.7K video, infrared night vision, parking mode, and a whole lot more. But does it live up to the hype? And how does it compare to other dual dash cams on the market? Let's break it down. What's in the box? So, here's what you're getting when you open up the box. The Vantrue N2X camera unit, with both front and interior lenses built in, a USB-C power cable, a suction cup mount, a car charger with an extra USB port, quick start guide and user manual. You'll need to buy a micro SD card separately. It supports up to 512 GB, which is great if you're recording long shifts or multi-hour road trips. Right away, the unit feels solid, not cheap or flimsy. It's compact, yet you can tell Vantrue packed a lot of tech into this thing. Design and display. The design is clean and functional. It's a dual-lens camera, with the front lens facing the road and the cabin-facing lens recording everything inside your car. The 1.5-inch screen isn't huge, but it's bright, and it gets the job done for setup, playback, and tweaking settings. Mounting it is a breeze. The suction cup holds firm, and the angle adjustments are smooth and flexible. Once it's up, it blends in easily without blocking your view of the road. This setup is made for working drivers who want set-it-and-forget-it functionality. And that's exactly what it delivers. Camera quality, front plus inside. Let's talk video, because this is where the N2X really earns its stripes. The front camera records in up to 2.7K, 2560 by 1440, at 30 frames per second, and the detail is excellent. Street signs, license plates, pedestrians, all clear and crisp, and it even performs well in lower light conditions. The interior camera records in full HD 1080p and has 4 infrared LEDs, which kick in automatically at night. Even in pitch black, it captures clear footage of the cabin, perfect for night shift Uber and Lyft drivers. Both cameras have wide-angle lenses, 155° for the front and 165° inside, giving you nearly full coverage without major distortion. And here's a nice bonus. You can toggle between recording both cams at once or just one, depending on your needs. Audio recording. The built-in microphone is another plus. It records clear in-cabin audio, which could be important for rideshare disputes or just documenting interactions. You can mute it if privacy is a concern, but it's nice to have the option. Storage and loop recording. The N2X supports loop recording, meaning when your SD card fills up, it automatically overwrites the oldest footage, unless it's been protected. And that's where the G sensor comes in. If there's a sudden impact or sharp movement, the camera auto-locks that clip so it won't get erased, even if you don't manually intervene. This is a must-have feature for anyone using this camera for liability or security reasons. Parking mode. Now, if you go the extra mile and pick up the Vantrue hardwire kit, sold separately, you unlock 24/7 parking mode. That means if your car is hit, bumped, or someone gets too close while you're parked, the camera will activate and start recording automatically. It can also be set for motion detection or time-lapse mode, depending on what you prefer. For city drivers or anyone leaving their vehicle parked overnight, this is a big deal. Ease of use. The menu system is straightforward, and for anyone who's used a dash cam before, the settings will feel familiar. It doesn't rely on an app, which some users might actually prefer. No Bluetooth connection issues or laggy interfaces. Navigation is done with physical buttons on the side of the unit. Not super modern, but they're responsive and easy to press without taking your eyes off the road for too long. What we loved. Here's what really stood out during testing. Crisp 2.7K front recording with excellent clarity. Infrared night vision that actually works. No grainy black and white fuzz. Wide dual camera coverage for full protection inside and out. Solid build quality with discreet, low-profile mounting. Supports up to 512GB SD card, great for rideshare pros. Loop recording and impact protection work flawlessly. And honestly, the interior footage at night is way better than expected. Whether you're driving downtown at midnight or just keeping an eye on your passengers, this camera has you covered. What could be better? Now let's talk drawbacks. No built-in Wi-Fi or app support. If you're used to wireless file transfers or live previews on your phone, that's missing here. Hardwire kit is sold separately, which adds to the total cost if you want full parking protection. The screen is small. It's fine for menus and reviewing clips, but not ideal for extended playback. No cloud backup, so everything depends on your SD card. If Vantrue included Wi-Fi and app control, this would be nearly perfect. Who's this for? The Vantrue N2X is tailor-made for Uber, Lyft, or taxi drivers who want clear documentation of every ride. Parents keeping an eye on teen drivers. Delivery drivers working long hours. Daily commuters who want security coverage without the fluff. If you fall into any of those categories, this dash cam is going to be a huge value add. Final verdict. So, what's the final word on the Vantrue N2X? It's a powerful, reliable dash cam that nails the basics, and even throws in some pro-level features. The front and interior video quality is excellent, especially at night, and it offers exactly the kind of coverage you want when driving for a living. Is it the flashiest? No. But is it functional, dependable, and easy to use? Absolutely. We're giving the Vantrue N2X a solid 8.5 out of 10. It's one of the best Uber-style dash cams in its price range, and definitely worth considering if you value in-cabin protection just as much as what's happening on the road. If the Vantrue N2X sounds like the right dash cam for your setup, check out the Amazon link in the description below to see the latest pricing and details. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Modern Gadget Guy, and hit the bell so you never miss our next tech breakdown. Until next time, drive safe, drive smart, and stay gadget ready.